Hello, today we'll be talking about Turtonator, the only fire dragon Pokemon introduced in Gen 7. It's also the first dual-type dragon-type Pokemon introduced in Gen 7. It's also the first fire dragon Pokemon that isn't a Mega Evolution. Its previous PYC dates are April 12th, 1998, February 11th, 2001, and it's my birthday! December 14th, 2003, October 15th, 2006, August 16th, 2009, June 17th, 2012, April 19th, 2015, February 18th, 2018, December 20th, 2020, and October 22nd, 2023. I like Turtonator's design. It looks a little goofy to me. I most know Turtonator from two places. 1, the back of the box of Pokémon Sun. 2, thanks to this series. I know Turtonator as one of the Pokémon of Kiawe, a main character in the Gen 7 era of the anime. Anyway, let's get into the Bulbapedia article. Hello and welcome to the Bulbapedia section of the video. Today we'll be talking about Turtonator, the Blast Turtle Pokemon, whose number is 0776. This is what it looks like. Its type is Fire Dragon. Since this is the first time Fire Dragon has been in the info box, I'll point out the fire inside and the dragon outside. Ability, Shell Armor. Gender ratio is 50-50. Catch rate is 70 or 16.6%. Breeding is egg groups, monster and dragon. Hatch time 20 cycles. Height is 6'7" or 2 meters. Weight is 467.4 pounds or 212 kilograms. Basic experience yields 170, leveling rate is medium fast. Evolves 2 in defense. Shape is that. Pokedex is red. And base friendship is 70. Turtonator is a dual type fire/dragon Pokemon introduced in Gen 7. It is not known to evolve into or from any other Pokemon. Biology, Turtonator is a bipedal turtle-like Pokemon with a spiny shell. Its skin is a muted green and only visible on its limbs, tail, head, and neck. On top of its head is an additional shell with many points around the rim. This extra shell has a black center, yellow in the middle, and a red outer rim. Its eyes have black markings around the bottom, and it has a tubular yellow snout with a single large nostril. Turtonator has a wide mouth with the lower lip marked by a jagged yellow line extending from its nose. On each side of Turtonator's long neck are two short triangular projections. Its front legs have mitten-like hands, while its hind feet have claw-like red growths around them. Most of its tail is also covered by red plating, which has fin-like projections. The shell that encases its body has a red underside with a star-shaped, yellow-rimmed hole in the center. The back of the shell has a yellow center with several spikes. 4 large spikes with red bases form a star shape in the center with 4 smaller spikes around them. This Pokemon resides on volcanoes, where it camouflages itself among the rocks and waits for prey. In addition to hunting, Turtonator also feeds on sulfur and other volcanic materials. This diet rich in explosive material has contributed to a layer of explosive material in its shell. This diet also makes Turtonator's feces dangerously explosive. The feces can be put to many different uses. In Pokemon adventures, they can be used as makeshift landmines, exploding from a mere touch. When prey steps onto its shell, it strikes itself with its own tail to cause an explosion. The explosion is ignited by sparks from the spikes on its shell and released through the hole on its chest. This orifice also acts as Turtonator's weak point. Its explosive capabilities are dampened by the rain, however, so it takes refuge in caves on rainy days. Turtonator's shell can be employed defensively as well. It is also capable of spewing poisonous gas and flames from its nostrils. Turtonator is the only known Pokemon capable of learning the move Shell Trap. Game data, Pokedex entries in Gen 7 Sun. The shell on its back is chemically unstable and explodes violently if struck. The hole in its stomach is its weak point. Moon. It gushes fire and poisonous gases from its nostrils. Its tongue is an explosive substance and can be put to various uses. Ultra Sun. It lives in volcanoes and eats sulfur and other minerals. Materials from the food it eats form the basis of its explosive shell. Ultra Moon. Its exploding shell poses a real danger, but is sensitive to moisture. On rainy days, Turtonator takes silent refuge in caves. Indonate. Sword. Explosive substances coat the shell on its back. Enemies that dare attack it will be blown away by an immense detonation. Shield. Eating sulfur in its volcanic habitat is what causes explosive compounds to develop in its shell. Its droppings are also dangerously explosive. Turtonator in the Alola Pokedex. Game locations. Side game locations. Events. Held items. In Sun, Moon, Ultra Moon, Sword and Shield. It has Charcoal 5% of the time. Stats, base stats. HP 60, attack 78, defense 135, special attack 91, special defense 85, speed 36 for a total of 485. Type effectiveness, damage normally by normal, fighting, flying, poison, ghost, water, psychic, ice, dark, and fairy. Weak to ground, rock, and dragon, all for double Immune to nothing, resistant to bug, steel, and electric for half, and fire and grass for a fourth. Learn set by leveling up. 1 Smog and Tackle, 4 Ember, 8 Protect, 12 Endure, 16 Flail, 20 Incinerate, 24 Iron Defense, 28 Dragon Pulse, 32 Body Slam, 36 Flamethrower, 40 Shell Trap, 44 Shell Smash, 48 Overheat, and 52 Explosion. By TN/DR, TM00 Mega Punch, 1 Mega Kick, 8 Hyper Beam, 9 Giga Impact, 11 Solar Beam, 13 Fire Spin, 21 Rest, 24 Snore, 25 Protect, 31 Attract, 34 Sunny Day, 38 Will-O-Wisp, 39 Facade, 42 Revenge, 48 Rock Tomb, 57 Payback, 59 Fling, 74 Venoshock, 76 Round, 81 Bulldoze, 97 Brutal Swing, and 98 Stomping Tantrum. For the TRs, TR01 Body Slam, 2 Flamethrower, 10 Earthquake, 15 Fire Blast, 20 Substitute, 24 Outrage, 26 Endure, 27 Sleep Talk, 31 Iron Tail, 35 Uproar, 36 Heat Wave, 37 Taunt, 42 Hyper Voice, 43 Overheat, 46 Iron Defense, 47 Dragon Claw, 48 Bulk Up, 62 Dragon Pulse, 64 Focus Blast, 70 Flash Cannon, 74 Iron Hand, 75 Stone Edge, 79 Heavy Slam, 85 Work Up, 88 Heat Crash, and 99 Body Press. By breeding, this group gives it Curse, this group gives it Head Smash, this group gives it Rapid Spin, and Avalugg gives it Wide Guard. By tutoring, in the Sword and Shield expansion pass, it can get Burning Jealousy. In Sword and Shield, it can get Draco Meteor. In the Sword and Shield expansion pass, it can get Lash Out, Scale Shot, and Scorching Sands. By transfer from another generation, it can get Block, Charge Beam, Confide, Double Team, Dragon Tail, Endeavor, Flame Charge, Frustration, that doesn't work anymore, Hidden Power, that doesn't work anymore, Return, that doesn't work anymore, Roar, Shockwave, Smackdown, Swagger, and Toxic. Side game data, I got all this. Evolution data is just Turtonator. Sprites, the models, Shiny, has brown for the red, and the main body is kind of this bluer color. In Gen 8, get the much better models. Homes, get these models. Animation, Turtonator in Pokemon Horizons, the series. Kiawe's Turtonator is the big one. Pokedex entries in Sun and Moon, episode 34, talking about Shell Smash in the Rotom Pokedex. That's Shell Smash! It makes Turtonator vulnerable to damage, but in return, it increases power and speed. In the manga, Turtonator in Pokemon Adventures. All this. TCG. Trivia, Turtonator can be seen as a counterpart to Drampa. Both are dual-type Pokemon, with Dragon as the secondary type. Both have a base stat total of 485, with the same stat values, but distributed differently aside from speed, which has the same value for the two Pokemon. They are version exclusive. Turtonator is exclusive to Pokemon Sun, Ultra Sun, and Sword, while Drampa is exclusive to Pokemon Moon, Ultra Moon, and Shield. Concept and development, concept art featuring Turtonator from Pokemon Sun and Moon. They got a bunch of the different angles and the parts of its body, and it exploding. Origin, Turtonator may be based on the Mata Mata, a kind of turtle. It also has elements of a landmine. Its shell resembles a simplified explosion, with red and yellow flame making the base of the shell for the base of the explosion, and the rocky lumps representing the debris and shrapnel thrown about as a result of the force. Turtonator's dragon type and spiny turtle shell may also be loosely inspired by the Tarask, a mythological dragon-like hybrid, and the dragon turtle, a Chinese creature featuring the head of a dragon and the body of a turtle. Name origin, Turtonator may be a combination of turtle and detonator. Bakugames may be a combination of Baku Hatsu, explosion, and Kame, turtle. Languages, related articles, references, external links. Let's move on. Now let's watch Turtonator's first scene in the anime. Hello and welcome to the anime portion of the video. Today we are watching episode 940, Alola to New Adventure. In this episode, Ash Ketchum, the main character, and his faithful Pokemon Pikachu are at the Pokemon School in Alola, where outside a trainer who we've learned is named Kiawe is battling Team Skull. Team Skull has sent out their Salandit, Yungoos, and Zubat. Ash has agreed to help Kiawe by using Pikachu, and Kiawe sending out his Turtonator. Team Skull wanted him to use his Charizard, but he's decided not to. Yeah. Turtonator.
Wow, totally awesome! So that's a Turtonator, huh?
A fire and dragon type. A strong and trusted friend.
Team Skull.
A wise one.
That is Turtonator's first scene in the anime. Let's move on. Now let's see why other people love Turtonator. Now let's look at fan art. Hello and welcome to the fan art section of the video. Nobody sent fan art, so instead we're looking at DeviantArt fan art. Those of you aren't from the series, what we do is we go through these images until I find an image that doesn't contain a Turtonator. What if Turtonator had a full evolution line by Mercury Ball Fusions? So if Turtonator had a full evolutionary line, this I guess is the template they took. It says, what if Doduo had a baby form and Dodrio gained an evolution? So, yeah. Fire Dragon, pre-evolution / final evolution. So I got Turtine, it's Turtle plus Landmine, Turtonator, which is Turtle plus Detonator, and Turtoruptor, which is Turtle plus Eruptor. Very cool. You got the shiny versions as well. This is Recolor Turtonator by FaZe the Cat Bat 1. So, yeah, I got a recolor where it looks like Bowser from the Super Mario games. Very well done. This is Turtonator by Big Summer Adventure 20. So, got some nice art of Turtonator here. Very well done. Because this is AI, even though it's a fusion, it's like fusing three... Well, this Turtonator is not Turtonator as we know it, so I don't think I'm going to count this one as Turtonator, even though I think it does technically have elements of Turtonator. It just don't, like, maybe doesn't know what Turtonator actually looks like, but that's definitely not Turtonator, so I'm not going to count this, and we're going to move on. Thanks to everyone who submitted fan art. I won't be streaming tonight as I simply don't have time. Before I get into the outro, I want to mention that I'll be out of the state for the next 2 or 3 days. Over these 3 days, the videos will release at noon CDT, Central Daylight Time, but I may not be able to do my social media posts at that time. If I can't, I'll try to do it as soon as I can. If any new Pokemon are announced over these next few days, I will make the video announcing the Pokemon year cycle's shift when I get back. And nothing will happen in the next 2 or 3 videos, which I'll already have scheduled to release. Because of this, I have canceled the streams that I had planned for tomorrow and Wednesday. Anyway, tomorrow we'll be talking about Togedemaru. As always, this is my proper outfit, and you'll see me Togedemaru.